Hi everyone, welcome back to another Kids Summer Reading Club craft video. Today we're going to be making balloon rockets. I think that these are really fun to make and won't be too hard to follow along, so keep watching and you'll join in on the fun. So the first thing you want to do is with your yarn, tie one end to a chair, which I've already done here, and then you're going to grab a straw and sift it through the yarn, like I've already done, as you can see, and then you'll tie the other end to another chair. Then you're going to grab some tape and put some tape on top of the straw to prepare for your balloon. And then you'll grab your balloon and you'll blow it up, and without tying the end, you'll attach it to the tape, and then you'll let go and your rocket will send. So I'm gonna blow up the balloon and then I'll show you guys my finished activity. Okay, so I'm holding my balloon closed and I have it taped to the straw, and I'm gonna let go and it should send down the yarn like a rocket. Here we go. I hope you guys had fun doing that activity with me today. I had a ton of fun making it. I think it's really silly and a really fun activity to do. This is our last craft video for the summer, and this is also probably my last summer doing the Kids Summer Reading Club. I just wanted to say thank you guys for taking part with me in the last 4 years doing the Summer Reading Club. I had a ton of fun making these videos as well as taking part in the Summer Reading Club, and I hope you guys had a fun time too. I hope you guys have a great rest of your year, and thanks for watching. Bye! Okay, here we go. I don't know if you guys saw that, but it was pretty funny.